another unboxing. Haven't done an unboxing for a while, but I wanted to document this one because you'll see why. Very excited to get this. It actually got lost in the post, but when I went to the post office again today, they found it on the wrong shelf, so panic over. So you can see we have a JM bar. I think this is my first JM bar. This is really cool. It's like raised text, so it feels really good. 10 ounces. Really nice bar, actually. Feels really nice in the hand. Looks really nice. You've got a serial number on there as well. Yeah, it's a really nice bar. It's a nice size. Right, so there we go. Now these are the stars of the show. Look at these. Absolutely amazing coins. Libertad, Mexican, 1983. We've got there. 1986. Absolutely amazing coins. This is the main reason I brought all of these for these coins. Should be 9 in total. Nine in total. Really, really nice coins. 1985. These really hold their value. As you know, these have quite a high premium. A lot of the other websites that you would usually go to get your gold and silver are actually out of stock of these. They don't have them in. They're very collectible coins. And the reason I went for these particular year ones, which I believe is 1981 to 1991, I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, but they're the years that have this writing around the edge. Sorry about the lighting. So you've got, there we go. So you've actually got writing around the edge. Libertad, which after 1991 they stopped doing that. And I just prefer the older look of these coins. Actually, they're really nice in the hand. So they're a lot smaller than the normal 1 ounce coins. They're a lot thicker than the regular 1 ounce coins. They just feel really nice in the hand. And I much prefer this design. On the newer Libertads, you've got around the edge, you've got all the different versions of this symbol around the edge, where it's nice to kind of have just the one in the middle. Not the best lighting today to make a video, but great coins. And these are actually in amazing condition, considering how old these are, like 30 plus years old. They're actually all in really good condition. There's not much tainting on them or anything. They're actually really all in great condition as well. Really nice to have them all in the wallets as well to protect them. Really nice coins. These have got to be up there with my favourite silver coins. Just great coins. Really nice coins. And I just love the engraving around the edge. Really cool. You've got the Philharmonics that have the smooth edge. I don't really like them. I prefer them not to have a smooth edge because I think they feel more like round when they have the smooth edge. They don't feel right. Whereas these ones just feel amazing, even though they've got the smooth edge. The fact that they've got this engraving around the edge is just really unique. So yeah, these have got to be up there with my favourite silver coins. Great coins. Really, really pleased with these. Thank you very, very much to the seller of these coins. Like I said, I will link who sold me these coins if they're happy for me to post this video. Really, really pleased. So yeah, my first Libertads and my first JM bar. Really, really pleased. Definitely worth the wait. So yeah, thank you very much again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.